So this is where we checked in for our lift tickets, and we're gonna head up. Right, we're heading up. So we're going up. Yeah. It's so beautiful out here. The day is gorgeous because it's not hot. It's like it's chilly.
Oh, I got a lounge area.
They got a little lounge area. Oh yeah. So, Sugar Pine Chairlift. And this is where you enter and you get onto the chair. So we are officially on the chairlift, but this is our scenery. So pretty. It's so pretty out today. It's gorgeous. I'm actually gonna take off my mask. I don't need it. I'm fully vaccinated. But I'm excited to take this 20-minute route there and 20 minutes back, and you can't beat it for the price for 25 bucks. I mean, hey, it's a Saturday out in the wilderness. But I'll film more when we get to the top. There's a restaurant up there that you can kind of enjoy like a beer, some lunch, and it's pretty nice. But I'll film it once we get up there.
Show them that.
Yeah. It's nice, so pretty. It's like barely anybody on the lift right now. I wanted to show how beautiful the trees look just in this area. It's so pretty. And then we're gonna hit our little part where the seat's gonna wink. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. So we just got off the chairlift, and this view is so pretty. I mean, gorgeous. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Maybe we can get those cloud views. But the cloud is literally just sitting on the mountain. So beautiful. So we're at the top of the world, or top of the notch restaurant right now. Probably gonna go inside and have some lunch and maybe get a beer.
Yeah, lots of hikers.
A lot of hikers.
Yeah.
A tubing park's back there, so I'm sure they do like tubing here. But I mean, this view is just beautiful. I don't even want to move from here. It's so pretty. But I'm gonna zoom in so you can kind of see the chairs down there. Look at that. It's beautiful. So right now we're gonna go check out like the zip line, because I heard they're gonna start doing that like Memorial Day weekend. I don't know the pricing yet, but from what I've seen, it was like $25 to $30 for a zip line. But we're looking at like the area of the zip line right now, and so far I'm like, hell yeah, I want to do this. Look at this. Isn't that cool? I mean, the view itself is just gorgeous, but I want to go on this zip line so bad. Yeah, it's gonna be fun when they open that up.
Okay, yeah. So this is what I remember. And then you just fucking book it down.
For the ski resort?
Yeah.
Yeah. There goes the zip line. Wow. And then they have like little tents over there you can rent out also. I do know they sell out really fast, and they do warn you that there's no cell service over here. So if you're gonna stay the night, you should know you're like literally no cell service. But definitely look online for those. I would say it's worth it if you want to spend a weekend with no cell service. Squeezy, squeezy. We're gonna go towards the restaurant. So we just walked in, and I like started to look at like all the merch. I was like, oh my gosh, look at that. Holding cups. And up here you can actually get the Wi-Fi. But this is all their merch. We're gonna get some lunch. Oh, that's so cool. Super crowded. Yeah.
Fireplace.
Oh, we gotta go this way. Yeah. Everyone comes up here for a beer. Get a beer. This is the lunch menu that they have. I heard the burger's really good. We might want to do the burger. This is the menu. Thank you. We're gonna get one of the clear Baldy cups. Thank you.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Hi there. Hey, how are you? Good.
Put it in this. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Why am I so excited that it foamed up like that? So we ordered the blue cheese bacon burger, right? Check out this burger. Wow. All right, well, we're heading back down. We're gonna wait for the lift to come around. We're gonna head back down the mountain. You ready to go down?
Yeah.
It's gonna be beautiful. You have to race to get on these chairs because they come around so quick. The view going down is so beautiful. And we're back on the lift again. But you can see people coming down. Look at that. So smoky. Fire danger today is high. Actually, someone can probably move that if they want to. But we just got to the visitor center. It's closed right now inside, but we're gonna try to like walk through and see what we can see over there. But I don't even know. It says sorry we're closed, so I don't even know if we could walk through there, but I see people back there. So I think that's where the visitor center is at, but it's closed right now. Little house right here. It's kind of cool. You can pan for gold there. It's so cute. I'm coming! He's literally taking me in the wilderness right now. But we're going behind the little hut house. It's nice out. Where are you going? Oh, we're on the other side of the house. We're walking. You could hear the birds just like chirping away. So pretty. Nice, beautiful Saturday morning. Not morning anymore, it's afternoon, right? It's afternoon. Look here, all the kids playing. Love it. I didn't get to show them the little house.
Oh, you didn't go in there?
No, I'll come around. I want to show the little hut.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go through the dirt part so we can show you the little hut they have here. I think they maybe do like summer camps where they teach the kids how to be like, I don't know, Boy Scouts maybe. But the little house is back there. But I'm gonna show you the hut. Look at the little hut. Like, what is this? It's cool. I think I'm gonna take a picture in there. Can you take a picture of me in there?
You gonna get in there?
Yeah, I'm just gonna bend down there. So we're walking on the side right now of the street because all the bikers are up there. So we're heading down here. What is that, a church?
Yeah, it's a church.
Oh. So we're gonna go see the little cafe over here. Or maybe not. Maybe we viewed it wrong. Maybe it's down more. Or maybe it's because it's closed. So we just pulled up and we're probably gonna get like iced tea and some dessert at the Mt.Baldy lodge. But I think we're gonna get the iced tea. But this is the menu. Thank you. So we ordered a apple with some ice cream. But look at this apple pie. So good. It looks so homemade. It's probably really good. See the mousses. So I'm gonna go in for the bite of the apple pie. You see that apple? So I put a little bit of ice cream with the apple pie. So oh my gosh, that is so good. This is like a real classic apple pie. Oh my gosh, so good. Oh my god, that's really good. I'm gonna hand it over, but I also got the cinnamon roll, which I'm hoping that's as good as that because that was fantastic. But look at the cinnamon roll. It's hard. Oh, it's completely hard. Uh-oh. It's completely hard. I can't even like dig into it. Oh no. I heard these were so good, but it looks good, but it's hard.
Here, you mind?